Hello sir. In this part I show you how to add product or edit product or delete product in your WooCommerce online store. For edit product price, suppose I now I will edit this product price. This product price is 4. Now I will increase or I will change this product price. For product price we go to our dashboard. First we log in our WP admin and go to click to product to all product, then we will here is our all product. Now I now I'm editing this product price. Then now this 5 is 4, this product price is 4. I click to edit, then we get this edit option, and here is our product regular product price. Suppose product price is 4, I will increase this 20. Just click 20 and click to update. Yes, update. Now reload this product and we will get updated product price. Now it will automatically increase 20. I think you can do it now. Suppose I want to change this product price, and now I reload this. Yes, this product price is now 20. We can also do this. Click to quick edit, and here is our product price. Price is 4. Suppose I click 20 or 25. Now click update, then it will be automatically update. We can also do it from here. Now click to view, and here product price is 25. I think you can do it now. And now I show you how to delete product. For delete product, I hover this product and here click option to click to trash. I just click to trash and it will be deleted from our dashboard. Yes, this is deleted. Now I try to reload this and we see this product is not here. Oh, this product is missing. For now I show you how to recover deleted product. Go to trash, then click to restore, then it is automatically restored in our all product store. Now I reload it again. Yes, this is working perfectly. Okay. When I recover this product, it is now draft. We click quick edit and click to status draft to published, then click update. Yes, this is now live. Okay. Yes, and now I show you how to add new product in your online store. For a new product, we will go to our dashboard, then click to all product, then we will get all product, click to new product. Okay, here I put our new product information. Okay, now I show you how to add new product. Here is our product title. Suppose I will add now a demi example product. Suppose this is our product title and click to this is our demi product. Okay, I think this is our demi product, and here is product description. If you have product description or product information, we can add it here. Suppose this is now we add to demi content. Okay, suppose here is our some demi content. Okay, this is a mistake. Here is our demi content. I already added here. Now I put the product price rate. Suppose this product price is 15, and this is our regular price. If you have any discount, we can put our discount price here. Our regular price is 50, but our sale price but discount price is 40. Now we want to select a category for this product. Suppose this product is cake category, then we select cake. And if you have any product tag, we can add here, and this is good for SEO or Google search ranking or search ranking. And here I will add product image. Okay, for adding feature image, we click to product image, click here, then click upload file, select file, download, and this is our example product image. I just upload it, click to upload. And I think we don't need more. If you have short description about this product, we can also add short description for this product. Just add description. Now click to publish. Okay, now click to view product, and this is our demi product. That's I add. This is our product regular price is $15, 15, but now discount price is 40. And here is our short description. Here is product quantity, or and here is product category and product information show here. I think you can add product now easily. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you can do it now. Thank you.